Hi everyone. Today we are going to be using a pencil and paper for our phonics work. So please go get a pencil and a piece of paper. Once you've done that, you can press play and we'll keep going. All right, so now that you have your pencil and your paper, we can get started. Yesterday, we learned about something called R-controlled vowels. Let's review them all together. A-R, car, R. Now you try. O-R, horn, or. E-R, her, I-R, bird, U-R, burn, Now we also learned yesterday that there was something kind of funny about these R-controlled vowels. If you were thinking this, that all those last three R-controlled vowels sound the same, then you were right. That's what we learned yesterday, that the three R-controlled vowels at the end of this poster all make the same sound. Let's get started and practice our sounds. O, no, O. A-N-G, fang, ang. E, me, e. Is this a short vowel E or a long vowel E? If you said long, you're right. Z, zebra, Z. A-U, sauce, ah. Y, baby, E. Y, cry, I. Now that we've learned that Y makes two sounds, we can say it as part of our sound cards. A, acorn, A. H, hat. Oh, I heard a lot of you say huh. You want to say H, hat, like a whisper. Try it again. Very good. E, a, eat, E. U dash E, mule, oo. Excellent. So we are going to be taking out our piece of paper and our pencil now, and we are going to write the following word on our papers. You don't have to draw the fancy boxes around them. You only have to draw the letters. H, A, R, M. Try tapping this word out on your own if you're not sure what it says. R, arm, harm. If you already knew that that word said harm, you probably also know what the word harm means. I want you right now to think of a sentence using the word harm. Think of a sentence. After you've thought of your sentence, I want you to write it down on your paper. Now remember, all sentences need a capital letter, and punctuation. Press pause while you write your sentence. Then you can press play when you are all done. Great, you are all done writing your sentences. So in your sentence, you have the word harm. Together, we are going to mark up this word so that we are more aware of what syllables are in the words and what sounds we hear. So, when we have the word harm, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to clap it out to see how many syllables it has. Harm. Harm. I only hear one syllable. Well, that must mean that this word is, in fact, a syllable as well. So, when that's the case, I can go look at my syllable and try and figure out what type of syllable it is. Is it an open syllable? Is it a closed syllable? Is it a consonant LE syllable? Or is it an R-controlled syllable? If you guessed R-controlled, you're right. Whenever we have an R-controlled syllable, we need to circle the R-controlled vowel within that syllable, and then we need to draw a little R underneath it. I want you to mark up your word like this, the word that you used in your sentence. Excellent. Now what we're going to do with your papers and pencils still out in front of you is we are going to come up with a few words. Some of them have vowel teams, some of them have R-controlled vowels, and some of them don't. I want you to do the best you can with spelling them. All right, the first word that I want you to spell is the word art. You can take out those fingers and try and tap out those sounds. Art, 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 art. Try and write those sounds that you hear. If you wrote AR followed by a T, you would be correct. ART spells art. Very nice. Are you noticing something in this word? Do you notice that it also has an R-controlled syllable? Let's circle it and mark it. Excellent. All right, I'm going to give you your next word. Ready? More. More. Or more. If you heard the letters M, O, and R in the word more, you're totally right. So let's start out by writing that. More. But if you looked at that word and you said, there's something wrong with that word, not quite right, and you knew that it's probably missing something like a magic E, I want you to go ahead and add that E at the end if you didn't already. Now we're going to mark up this word. We know that it's an R-controlled syllable. We put a circle around it and put an R beneath. All right, we've got one more word. Are you ready? The word is chess. Chess. Chess is a game that people can play. Ch. Ch. Chess. All right. We know that chess starts with that CH chin ch sound. Ch, eh, s. Ch, eh, s. This almost looks right, but you know what I'm missing? I'm missing my bonus letter. I know that anytime I have a short vowel followed by an S, F, L, or Z, I need to double that letter. Chess. 2 S's. Let's look and see what kind of syllable this is so that we can mark it up. Is this an R-controlled syllable? No, Miss Dimmick, it doesn't have an A-R, O-R, E-R, I-R, or U-R. Well, is it a vowel, consonant, E syllable? No, because there's no E at the end. All right, well, that leaves open and closed. Looking at this word, do you think that this syllable is open or closed? If you said closed, you are right. It's closed because the vowel in this word is making the short E sound. It says eh. And it's closed in by a consonant so that this vowel can't fly away. It's closed in. That is a closed syllable. Awesome, awesome work, you guys. Keep it up.